Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on a strategy that I refer to as our 2 cent strategy. It's a form of guerrilla marketing that is very similar to going out into the community and meeting people and the business owners and putting your name out there, but it's something that can be done digitally here at your desk, half hour to an hour a day, and very low cost of entry in terms of it's just your time. So I'm going to start off with right now we're at my personal Facebook page. Facebook has made it very easy to switch between your Facebook pages and your personal profile. So if I'm on my feed, which is the house button here at the top, I usually keep all my stores and shortcuts, but the easiest way to switch to a profile is to go ahead and click over here. We're going to go to the Hanover store and switch to that profile. Now that we are in this profile, we are acting as if we are in this profile as a person. So on your feed right here, you have, you'll get the message that says you're interacting as the page. You have local businesses, York Street Treat, super, super popular, like drive-in type restaurant here in Hanover. I'm gonna go ahead and like their post, and this is what I mean by adding my 2 cents. If every single day I'm liking their post or commenting on it and leaving my 2 cents, that eventually adds up to dollars. And that can be done in a variety of ways. You can also use your page to join the Facebook community groups, right? So something like just interacting with this post for this person, leaving a comment that says, "Oh no, if we see anything, we'll keep an eye out," things of that nature. Obviously, then you can also follow national pages as well, like the National Oil and Lube. But the the best way for this to work is by interacting, because what will happen is not only the owners of the business who are members of the community, the people who follow their pages will see your page, and this is the kind of thing that can help with organic reach of your business. So we're going to go ahead and type in Hanover, Pennsylvania. And now we have a list of all kinds of pages, whether it's, schools, businesses. We already follow some of these. Hanover Door is a fleet customer of ours, Hanover Building Systems, the borough, things like that. But also, if we go back, you can join community Facebook groups as well and interact in that way. This is a brand new burger place that just opened up a couple weeks ago. We can go on their page and leave our 2 cents here. I'm going to say, "Welcome to Hanover." And now that post appears as though it came from our page. People will be able to see it. We can even leave our 2 cents here on this person's comment. They enjoyed it. We're going to go ahead and like their post. They're going to get a notification that we like their post. That's probably going to draw them into our page by clicking on our profile. And the more you interact with people in the community through your Facebook page, the more 2 cents that you drop, the more that it adds into dollars. And so that's really the strategy behind it and what we're looking to accomplish with this. Ultimately, it leads to having more organic followers, so that when we do post something that doesn't have any money behind it, such as a organic post, you'll get more interactions through that and other means as well. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully it's helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Slack.